Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the system is ready. Check for Windows 7 Service Pack 1 and recent security updates. Next, enable Internet Explorer through Control Panel, right arrow programs, right arrow turn Windows features on or off, because IE may be disabled. Once done, pin Internet Explorer to the taskbar for quick access and set it as the default browser only if you require legacy site compatibility. These steps get you from a fresh machine to an active IE instance, ready for configuration and browsing. You now configure Internet Explorer for safe, functional browsing. Open Internet Options and step through Security, Privacy, and Advanced tabs to set protection levels and enable or disable ActiveX and scripting. Do this because older sites often depend on those features. Use Compatibility View for legacy pages and add internal addresses to trusted sites to reduce warnings. Make sure tab settings and the pop-up blocker match your workflow. Adjusting these prevents modal interruptions while preserving a baseline of protection. You finish by keeping Internet Explorer current and knowing how to recover. Regularly run Windows updates so IE receives security patches. Without updates, you expose the system to risk. For modern websites, use Enterprise Mode or open them in a secondary up-to-date browser because compatibility is limited. If Internet Explorer crashes or renders pages incorrectly, reset Internet Options, disable add-ons selectively, and if necessary, restore the PC to a recent system restore point. This single troubleshooting tip often recovers a broken IE setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.